Hello students, how are you all? So welcome back to the next video lesson for class 12th IP, and we are discussing the chapter computer networking. In the previous video we have discussed about domain name and URL. In today's video we are going to discuss about some of the applications of our World Wide Web. So let us start the topic beta. What are the applications of World Wide Web? Okay, so here we are going to discuss only 4 applications: web browser, email, chat and voice over internet protocol. As per our syllabus, we have to discuss only these 4 applications. Okay, so let us start the today's video. When we are talking about email beta, all of us know that it stands for electronic mail, and we all are using very frequently in our day-to-day life. So there is nothing new about that. So it is just electronic mail, and which is used to send and receive messages to and from anyone with an email address anywhere in the world. If you are having an email ID and the receiver is having the email ID, you can send or receive from anywhere in the world. So this is email. The only thing I want to discuss about this email, let us have this diagram here beta. Okay, if you can see the diagram, here we are having the sender's computer. Okay, here we are having the server. Okay, here we are having the receiver server. Okay, the receiver system is there, and this process will take place, this transmission will take place no doubt with the help of internet connection. Now basically when we are dealing with email beta, 3 protocols are being used. What are these protocols beta? Protocols are SMTP protocol, POP protocol and IMAP protocol. Okay, so if you will discuss about this SMTP protocol, then SMTP protocol means beta simple mail transfer protocol. Okay, and this POP, post office protocol. Post office protocol means beta we are handling we are sending and receiving messages, so the name has been given like that. Okay, so the third one is our IMAP protocol. IMAP means beta it stands for Internet Message Access Protocol. Okay, so when we will compare about SMTP protocol and IMAP protocol beta, this SMTP protocol is responsible for sending the mail. Okay, and this IMAP, which is Internet Message Access Protocol, is responsible for accessing a mail. If we want to send a message, send a mail, then the protocol responsible will be SMTP. And when you want to check your mail, when you want to receive your mail, then the protocol responsible will be IMAP. So here you see, when the sender is sending its mail, here the protocol responsible is SMTP. Okay, but here when the recipient, the receiver is receiving, then protocol POP3 or IMAP will be responsible. Okay, so this email uses multiple protocols within TCP/IP suite. So SMTP is used to send messages, and POP or IMAP protocols are used to retrieve messages from the mail server. Okay, so I told you what are the expansion SMTPs. Once again listen beta. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, POP stands for Post Office Protocol, IMAP stands for Internet Message Access Protocol. Okay, so this way all about how email using internet takes place. This is the most common application of our internet. So let us have this diagram beta. Can you have any guess which application we are going to use? What are these images? What are these logos stands for? Yes, very obvious. All of these are what beta? All of these are web browsers. This is Mozilla, Internet, Google Chrome, Safari. So all these are browsers. So again, browser is one of the most important application for www. So let us have the details about web browser. When we are talking about a web browser or browser, it is used to access and view websites. The simple application is whenever we want to access a website using our mobile or our computer or laptop, then we must have browser with us. And some of the most common web browsers are Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari. So the primary function of web browser is to render HTML, the code used to design or mark up web page. Then can you guess bete what is the next application? Okay, most frequently you are using this application. Yes, you have guessed right. This application is chat. Okay, which we are doing a lot staying at home. Okay, so let us have the details about chat. On the internet, chatting is like talking to each other. Now, so usually talking is what? Exchange of typed in messages. Here when we are using chat, chat means typed in messages. We are exchanging the text, one site as repository for the messages and a group of users who take part from anywhere on the internet. Okay, so this term is again very much known to you people. So let us have the next one. So this is all about bete VoIP application. Now what does it means? When we are talking about VoIP, it means bete voice over internet protocol. Now the term may be known to you. Okay, voice over internet protocol. If I will ask you whether you are using this application, yes, you all are using this application. Okay, now see how and where. So voice over internet protocol is the transmission of voice and multimedia content over internet protocol networks. So it is basically what many apps we are using with our smartphones, which provide us this technology, this application. For example, when we are using voice call over WhatsApp, Google Phone, Google Group Chat, Facebook video and voice chat, and when we are using Skype, then we are using the application voice over internet protocol. Okay, so these were all about the applications of World Wide Web bete. I hope all these things will be understood to you. If not, you can ask me your doubt. So thank you for watching.